guys, my name is Kun. Now I am in Universal in Singapore. Now I am in Transformers. It's so fun. I already played it. It's so fast and it feels like I'm in real life. Funny. It have a UFO and a lot of random things. Hello again, everyone. I don't know what is going to show. I will show you later. And everyone, see can it come out. Everyone, now I'm at Jurassic Park. Hello again, everyone. This is a dinosaur. And it have dinosaur in
He says doing this to be live. Alright.
Hello again, everyone. Now I am at the entrance. There is a lot of things in Universal. Something is like a beat or a movie. Thanks for watching.